Welcome back to my channel, Lip Blinds. Enjoy free shipping on window blinds, shades, 3D PVC wallpaper, luxury vinyl flooring, 3D PVC wall panel, and more. Shop now at www.litblinds.ca and enjoy a huge discount. Wooden flooring is a timeless choice that enhances both the functionality and aesthetics of a space. Its natural warmth and rich textures create a welcoming atmosphere, making any room feel cozy and elegant. Beyond its beauty, wooden flooring is highly durable and can last for decades with proper care, adding long-term value to a home. It also complements various interior styles, from classic to modern, seamlessly blending with different decor elements. Additionally, wood is a sustainable and eco-friendly option, especially when sourced responsibly. With its combination of durability, elegance, and environmental benefits, wooden flooring remains a popular choice for homeowners and designers alike. Its timeless appeal enhances the aesthetic charm of a room while offering long-lasting performance and versatility. Whether in a traditional or modern setting, wooden flooring adds warmth and elegance, creating a comfortable and stylish environment. Additionally, its eco-friendly nature makes it a responsible choice for those looking to balance luxury with sustainability. With proper maintenance, wooden floors can retain their charm for years, proving that their appeal is not just visual, but also practical and enduring. In conclusion, wooden flooring is a perfect blend of beauty, durability, and sustainability, making it a valuable investment for any space. If you want to get discounts on your bookings, then reach us out on info@booktoday.ae. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Lip Blinds. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.